Hello, young physicists! Welcome to Mind Over Physics. Today, we'll explore the various types of motion that objects can exhibit. 1. Linear motion. Linear motion occurs when an object moves along a straight path. For example, a car driving down a straight road or a ball rolling on the ground. 2. Rotational motion. Rotational motion happens when an object spins around an internal axis. A classic example is a spinning top or the Earth's rotation on its axis. 3. Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion refers to an object moving back and forth around a central point. Think of a pendulum swinging or a guitar string vibrating after being plucked. 4. Circular motion. Circular motion is when an object moves along a circular path. An example is a satellite orbiting the Earth or a merry-go-round spinning. 5. Random motion. Random motion occurs when an object moves in an unpredictable manner with no definite path. For instance, the erratic movement of gas particles in the air. Conclusion. Understanding these types of motion helps us describe and predict the behavior of objects in our universe. Thank you for joining us on Mind Over Physics. If you found this exploration of motion insightful, please like this video and subscribe for more physics content.